it's Miss Lindsay here. I am so excited to share this art project that I just learned with you guys. It involves a little bit of magic, or science maybe, as you'll see later in the video. So all you need is a
writing utensil, so it could be a pen, pencil, marker. I chose a black colored pencil, but you could literally pick any color, it doesn't matter. You need a piece of paper or a napkin or just something to draw on. I chose to draw first an arrow, which seems kind of boring, but you'll see why I decided to draw an arrow pretty soon. And then the last thing you need is a glass of water. Now it's very important that the glass of water you can see all the way through it. See how kind of like my image is reflecting right now in the glass of water? It's super important. You'll figure out why very soon.
So in this video, we're going to hypothesize what we think is happening when I take my picture of an arrow and put it behind my glass of water. So watch and be amazed.
Okay, so I stacked my piece of paper in front of a little file cabinet that I have so that it would stand up. And now I've got my glass of water next to it. Now let's take a minute and memorize this picture. Which way is my arrow pointing right now? That's right, my arrow is pointing to the right. Okay, let's see what happens when I put my glass of water in front of my arrow.
Oh my gosh, do you see that? The arrow's facing a totally different direction now. How crazy is that? It went from facing to the right to facing the left. How did I do that? Well, it's this cool thing called the refraction of light. So when light travels through the glass cup, it inverts the image that's behind it, making the arrow appear from facing the right to facing the left now. Now I promise you this isn't any sort of fancy editing trick, this is real science. So I'd encourage you to try it out at home. Take a piece of paper or a napkin or whatever you have and draw a picture on it. And then put a cup of water in front of it and see what happens. The image could get skinnier, could get fatter, the arrow could change directions, who knows what could happen. But it's gonna look totally different than it did before. How awesome is that?
So we really hope you'll take the time today to try this out. Just get a little scrap of paper and a pencil and your glass and see what happens. Maybe try and trick your family members too. And send us pictures if it works. We would love to see you guys doing this experiment. Until next time, bye!
Thank you for watching! Stay tuned for the next video! We'll see you next time! Whoa! Oh my